It's the big day.
It's the day, finally.
I know, right? It's gonna sound so freaking good, bro.
I hope so.
How long do you think it'll take?
They said 2 hours.
Okay, that's fine.
Pretty sick.
What happened? What just happened with that guy?
He honked at us. He's freaking out still. It does get a lot of attention.
I think people can just tell.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing though, is like...
And it seems like real money compared to like just buying a Lambo.
Yeah, like when people know what the car is, they freak out.
Yeah.
Like, there's like a difference of like people seeing the big wings, so they just like automatically assume it's a Lambo or something like that. But like when people know it's a GT3 RS, they're like,
that's insane.
they like hang out their window and
Yeah.
like trying to take pictures and stuff.
Yeah, it's so funny. German Autos is hooking us up right now. This bolt from IKEA. We've got this one directly from Bugatti Chiron. How you feeling?
Stoked.
Yeah, you ready for it to drop down?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it sounds amazing. That was impressive. I got that on video. This is why you hire German Auto Exotics, everyone. Guys, look at this. It's really cool when you touch it right here.
Oh. Get out of here.
For those of you who don't know, if you put your fingerprints all over it, it'll burn into the exhaust.
Just doing my part.
Yep.
Recycling.
Recycling.
Dude, look at that.
Gosh. That's so exciting. Looking as good as ever.
Hey, listen to this.
Dude, that was so loud.
It's a whole different animal. Wow.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah, well, when you drive it, it's going to be a whole different world. Yeah. Sounds great.
Dude, that's insane.
Sounds good.
Dude, that sounds so insane.
Wow.
German Auto Exotics, everyone. That's where you gotta get it done.
You got it, guys. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, of course. See you guys.
You got it.
Dude, it's insane, bro. It's so wild. Is it wild inside your car?
Sounds so much better. It's definitely a lot more throaty for sure.
Yeah.
What's crazy is it actually sounds like even better like in the beginning. Like you get
Yeah.
like that low throatiness like right off the beginning. It's crazy how big the exhaust tips are too.
They're nice.
I looked at when I was putting my license plate back on. It's already turning blue.
Oh, really?
Like the muffler tips are already turning blue. That's cool. Hopefully check engine light doesn't go on.
Yeah, that would suck. These downshifts are
like,
pretty aggressive.
Yeah, it sounds way better.
Twin or single?
Say what?
Twin turbo or single?
No turbo.
Oh no?
No.
Naturally?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Flat 6.
Aspirated way over turbo. So
Yeah.
sick.
No, yeah.
I was like trying to listen for a blow-up valve. I was like, I don't hear it.
No,
I
yeah.
was trying to get you to go like that. I was trying to get you to go fast through the corners. I wanted to see how it tracked up.
It does. It's got rear steering.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Okay, right on.
It's pretty wild.
Yeah, that's like one of the only cars that's ever like actually can't like that I've ever had trouble keeping up with. Like I used to like both Hondas, like
Okay.
remember the old Preludes that had the rear wheel steering?
Yeah, yeah.
It was the only ones that ever kept up with me, like going through corners.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Like, so all-wheel drive or just?
No, rear wheel.
So,
Yeah. Yeah. We just put a new exhaust on it today.
Yeah,
So that's
I
nice.
was gonna say it sounds clean.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks, man.
yeah, take it.
It does sound so good.
It does.
First gears.
All right, chat. We are here at Rigatti's.
Gonna get some saw, dude.
Yep. It looks like high quality stuff.
It's good stuff.
Oh shoot.
Test.
Dude, what does it cost to gas this thing up?
I don't even know.
You're like, I just do my Amex card. It just pays for it. Like,
Well, it's like, I don't know. Probably, let's see, it's 23 gallons. What's gas at right now?
I don't know.
See, that's my problem too, is I don't know. It's like,
Well, like,
what are you gonna do? Not fill up your car because the gas prices are high? Like,
Yeah.
you're still gonna, like, you
Yeah.
have to fill up.
that's true.
I'd assume it's probably around 60 bucks,
Okay.
60, 70.
6, 7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I keep doing that.
That is a weird Cybertruck. It's the ugliest
Oh,
thing
that one
ever.
is so hideous.
It's so bad.
Oh my god.
I don't even know why people think that looks good.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, there's too many freaking cars. Yeah, 3 to 4 sounds really
It's
good.
amazing. That was cool. Thoughts?
I love it.
Yeah. Yeah. It sounds so
you?
good. Yeah, I love it too.
Like the initial start sounds so much better. Like you couldn't really hear it before.
Yeah.
It's a lot more fun. Like even going slow, I feel like.
Exactly. Like, it's no fun to have a car you can't have fun around town in, you know?
Yeah.
So. That one was good.
Hey, what's up? Can Tannen and I meet you at Salente?
Sure, for what?
Well, first I need to go to the bathroom, and second it'd be nice if you saw the exhaust.
Yeah.
I'm probably 5 minutes away. Okay.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, that's so sick.
Oh, that was sick. That was
Okay.
the best one yet.
Love you. Bye. Do you hear that?
Yeah, that was crazy. Dude, hopefully those mics captured that
I
one.
know.
That was crazy.
Normal, okay.
loud.
That's cool, babe. You're so cool.
Yeah.
Makes me love you even more. Oh man.
Counter like 3,000.
But it does.
It does. It
sounds
does.
so good.
I mean, you brokies wouldn't understand, but what it's like to be in a Bugatti Chiron, you know.
Yeah.
This is the Toyota Corolla of supercars, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
Just pocket change.
Just for reliability.
Yeah,
wise.
just only for reliability. Dude, look at that. That's gonna be amazing. Come from that direction.
Okay. Well, I gotta go flip around,
Yeah.
so.
Holy crap.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret it.
That's cool. It
So
automatically
I let her
turns
know.
into super
It's what you want, I'ma give it to you. Yeah, promise, I'ma give it to you.
It's that smile. Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style. So something must be up keeping you